Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Bitcoin is weighing in at 77,330, and over the last maybe 15 to 18 days, we've had a general consensus of the price of Bitcoin to the upside, as we can see in our aggregated CVD. We are looking at the price of about 78,633, and if Bitcoin breaks through that with enough volume momentum, which is looking like it, then we're looking at the possibility of 80,000. This is also coupled with the fact that there are some areas, particularly here to 78,446, 78,578, and here at about 79,440, there are some areas of short liquidation, leverage liquidation. Now, we are concerned about the price of Bitcoin because of several other metrics which I'm watching very closely. The first one is this: our short-term holders cost basis here against our true market mean. And there's been continued convergence of these two metrics, as we can see here. True market mean is at 78,132, and our short-term holders cost basis is about 80,880, and it has been continued into converge, just as we saw back in 2021 going into 2022, which brought about the actual fall of the price of Bitcoin, as you can see here. I wouldn't be surprised if something similar happens. I also would not be surprised if the true market mean becomes an area of resistance, which you can see here, and you can see an area of resistance as we can see right now. So this would be concerned, because if that, once the price of Bitcoin falls, then we could be surprised if we see a realized price, it hits the realized price of 54,199. The second metric that I'm looking at very closely is this one, and this is the bear market correction drawdowns. And if you look at the metrics of 163, 411 days, 663 days, 363 days, 378 days, as we can see here, that gives us an average of about 330 days. And at the moment, we've only done 194, which means we've still got about 136 days to go, which means that we're looking at about August or September before we see anything, if we go by this basis. Now, this is something I'm watching very closely. And I would not be surprised if this and what I've just shown you in the other, the chart I've just shown you, are part of the reasons why the price of Bitcoin does not break through to the $80,000 range and then begin to fall, and maybe, who knows, fall all the way down. Anyway, price is about probabilities and not predictions. So that's me. So keep your eyes and ears open, and you're trading sharp. Have a good one. Bye.